Hey everyone, today we're talking about this shower filter that promises a spa-like experience at home. According to the company, it can help with dry skin, frizzy or dull hair, and even acne by filtering out chlorine, heavy metals, and other impurities in your water. It uses a 15-layer filtration system with materials like KDF55, calcium sulfite, and coconut activated carbon, which are known to actually improve water quality. They also claim it can save up to 30% on water and boost water pressure by more than double, which sounds pretty appealing. Some users report real improvements like softer skin, shinier hair, less brassiness in blonde hair, and even clearer skin. One person even mentioned it helped reduce skin irritation and remove minor skin tags caused by hard water. Buying through Amazon is a plus because you get verified reviews and customer service protection. However, there are some red flags. The company lists a physical address, but it seems to be a shared office space, which feels a bit sketchy. There's also a weird disconnect in the reviews. Their website claims 10,000 plus 5-star ratings, but these aren't verifiable. On Amazon, it has around 127 reviews averaging 4.3 stars. And on Trustpilot, only 4 reviews averaging 3.4 stars. A few users have also raised concerns about shady return practices. So, what's the verdict? If you order through Amazon, it might be worth trying since you have some backup in case anything goes wrong. Some users absolutely swear by it, claiming noticeable results in hair and skin. Others didn't see much difference. With the inconsistent reviews, limited transparency, and potential red flags, it's smart to approach this product with caution. It could work well for some, but don't expect miracle results. If this review helped you, hit like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and leave a comment if you've tried this or any other shower filters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy staying safe.